Hi guys, welcome to my second video, and I would like to start my second video by thanking you all for watching and appreciating and loving my very first video. I did not expect so much of love, but from this video on I've decided that I'll talk less because I know talked a little too much in the first video, but I will not talk that much from this video on. So let me get straight to the topic of this video. Now in this video I'm gonna basically do this look. I'm gonna show you how I do this look. This is a very basic desi glam look which you can wear at a family gathering or a puja, or normally on daytimes, or even for your work if you want to, because I do wear it at times for my work. So if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. I'm starting off with the base, and this time I'm using not a foundation, I'm using a BB cream, and the BB cream which I'm using is the Pond's BB cream. Now I told you in my last video exactly why I prefer BB cream over foundation. It's because BB creams are way lighter on the skin, it blends more easily, and it sort of gives a glow, as in it leaves you with a dewy finish. So that is the reason why I use BB cream. I'm using this BB cream because this is the BB cream I'm in love with at the moment, and I have used the word BB cream a little too much. So there are many BB creams out there in the market. You can use whichever you like, but this is my current favorite, and I know after a few days it will change. So I'll just take a little bit of the BB cream in my finger and dot it on my skin like this, and then blend it with my fingers. Now I know the problem with BB creams in our country is they are not available in many shades, and which is really sad. But what you can do is you can add a little bit of aloe vera gel or a sunscreen gel along with the BB cream, and it will sort of try to match up to your skin tone if you are not getting a BB cream of your skin tone. So that's me, and I'm done blending the BB cream. You saw how quick it was. So I'll get straight to the second product, which is obviously my favorite, mascara. So I'm using this mascara, Maybelline Lash Sensational. I have talked a lot about this on my last video. Please go watch my last video if you haven't, to know why I use this mascara. And I'm using eyelash curler with it. So I'll start off with curling my eyelashes, and then I wear the mascara on top. I'm going straight to my eyebrows, so I'm gonna fill my eyebrows, and this time I'm gonna use this palette by LA Colors. It's LA Colors Nude palette. Now this is not available in India. I got this as a gift from US, and I mean LA Colors is their products are available on Nykaa, but I don't think this particular palette is available there. But you can use the Nudes palette by Maybelline. Also they have almost these shades. So I'm using this and this these two shades, and I'm gonna mix it up, and then I'm gonna fill my brows with this angle brush. I'll apply a little bit of eyeshadow obviously, and this time I'm using again a palette. Now I'm not exactly using eyeshadow palette. I am using a sort of full face palette. This has a bronzer, blush, and a highlighter in it. Now I am going to use the highlighter as my eyeshadow. I am not using two different palettes, one for eyeshadow and one for face. So I'm just going to use this palette. This has the highlighting shade, this one. This is by Faces. I think this is called Ultime Pro face palette, something of that sort. I'll leave the name in the description box, and then I'll basically leave all the details about the products which I am using in this look in the description box. So if you want to know the details, do check it out. Now I'm using this highlighter shade again with my finger, so I'm taking it a little bit on my finger. Do you see how pigmented this is? Because this is a highlighter, so it's supposed to be a little more pigmented. So I'm going to apply this with the finger on my eyelids. So now that I'm done with the eyeshadow, I am going to use that same highlighter as a highlighter, obviously. So it's just going to add a little bit of glow on my face. I'm going to apply this with this angled contouring brush. You can use whatever brush. You can even do it with your fingers. What I'll do is I'll apply on one side with the brush and on the other with fingers, so that you can just do whatever you feel like. So just taking a very little amount of the highlighter on this brush, dusting off the excess product. So I'm just gonna done with the right side, and just gonna take a little bit on my finger and do the same this side. So I'm done with the highlighter. I think it has left me with a subtle glow. I'm not going to apply a lot of product in this look, because like I said, this is more of a daytime look. So I'm going straight to the next product, which is like the most essential product for an Indian look, which is kajal. And I'm using the Maybelline kajal here. I actually use my Lakme Iconic kajal more, but I have run out of it, so this is the one I'm left with currently, so I'm using this one. So I'm just gonna basically draw a reverse. I'm basically gonna line my lower waterline, and then gonna extend it and create a reverse wing. I'll tell you what reverse wing is. It's basically I'll I'll fill up my waterline here, and then I'll just extend it on the outside, creating a reverse wing. So I'll show you how I do it. So I have applied the kajal on my lower waterline, and I've sort of dragged the kajal a little below the lower waterline, so that it creates a little bit of thickness in my lower waterline. And now I'm going to create the reverse wing. So I'm just going to take the kajal here like this, and just going to pull it like this. I'll do the same thing on my left eye. So I'm left with just the last part of this look, which is for basically my lips, because you can see my lips are looking very pale, because I also applied a little bit of BB cream on top of my lips, so to hide my lips pigmentation. I have also added these jhumkas. These are my very favorite jhumkas. It sort of brings the whole look together. So I'm using this lip liner. I'm going to line my lips with this. It's from Wet n Wild, and it's called, it's in the shade Chestnut. So I'm going to line my lips with this, and after that I'm going to apply this lipstick. This is a liquid lipstick. It's also from Wet n Wild, and it's called Wet n Wild Catsuit lipstick, and the shade is my current favorite. It's called Give Me Mocha. It's a very everyday wear, muted brownish red lipstick. I mean, you'll see the color when I wear it. It's currently my favorite. It goes very well with Indian look, so you can try it if you want. It's also quite affordable, and it's a very good quality liquid lipstick. It doesn't dry your lips down, which is my main concern with most of the liquid lipsticks which I own. That's it. I'm done with the whole look, and I've added this small little black bindi because I love small little bindis. If you don't like bindis, then you can completely skip on this. It's absolutely your choice. So if you liked what I did in this video, then please don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family, whoever you think would like it. Also, please do tell me what you want me to do next, or all those suggestions that you have. Please drop all of them in the comment section down below. I promise to read them all and try my best to follow them. And please subscribe to my channel if you can. That would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all.